I just got my new Cimatron and I'm gonna start playing with it. Let's see what it does. hmm So now this is one plate. Looks nice. Let's check another file. Let's see how good that is. Hmm. I get lost. This is a brand new file. I don't. It's not my older Cimatron. It's totally new. Okay, looks nice. There's a lot of wireframe there. It looks nice. Let me check something else. So let's see if I can open 3, 4 files at the same time. Um, looks funny. Okay. Oh, beautiful. I think I'm gonna be machining a lot of parts pretty soon. Um, let's see what happens. Okay, let me check. Okay, now that I look into that, now I'm gonna work on to creating a toolpath, and that would be next time I get. Whenever I'm ready, I will get to you guys. Talk to you later.